I'm Jason Connolly, CEO of JMC Legal Recruitment, and I've been asked by the Law Gazette to record this video on what are my top tips for drafting a cover letter. Now, a cover letter is to go on top of an application, and its main purpose is to bring your experience to life and actually to showcase the person you are, your experience, your passion, and your drive for the role. Now, sometimes when it comes to drafting a cover letter, I think the temptation can be to have one cover letter for every job, especially if you're a junior lawyer and maybe you're applying for a lot of newly qualified positions and you're really competing. However, as tempting as it can be, I really think it's important to have a specific cover letter tailored to each job you apply for. So if you're going for several different training in several different newly qualified positions in different practice areas, and perhaps you've got two main practice areas, you want to flesh out that passion and that drive for perhaps residential property or family law. Now, when it comes to drafting the cover letter, it's absolutely important that you keep this short. Avoid large chunks of narrative, large paragraphs. You want to use bullet points and make sure that each block of narrative is concise and to the point. Don't make it too wordy. The cover letter is an opportunity to bring your experience to life and to sell you. I think next of all, when it comes to the cover letter, you want to write down why you think you're a fit for the job. Now, a lot of the time, the job specification is a wish list rather than a shopping list. A lot of the time when firms hire a candidate, they don't have to match the job specification completely and tick every box. That's a misconception, but you want to get down the points on why you feel you're a fit for this job. Is it technical expertise? Is it the soft skills that you've got? Perhaps you might be applying for a 1-year PQE role or a 2-year PQE role and you're an NQ, but you've got pre-paralegal experience and you might have dealt with that particular area of law the whole way through your training contract. So make sure you highlight that. Key achievements put in bold at the top, make sure they stand out. When it comes to hiring managers looking at covering letters and CVs, there was a statistic done recently and published online that on average, hiring managers only spend 45 seconds reviewing a CV and a covering letter initially. If it doesn't catch their eye, they do move on. So it's important that you make this friendly, easy to read, and easy to identify those skills and experience that you're trying to highlight. I think what's really important is you highlight as well your passion, your enthusiasm, and your drive for the role. Always speak to your recruitment consultancy, or if you do want particular CV advice, do feel free to come to us. Our website address, www.jmc-legal.com.